here we're looking at the Transducer case. It's a custom Pelly case made specifically for the P.U.W.M.A 2.0 system. We see here the transducer is mounted on the larger Minn Kota mounts. It's 120 centimeters long, and it has the smaller transducer due to the change in frequency for the revised system that we're now using. All the manuals are usually stored in here. We have our power cable here for charging the system, and up above we just see the selection of DC charging cables working from left to right. We have our ring terminals to go directly onto a battery. We have our crocodile clips. We have our cigarette lighter, and we also have an extension lead just if we require to extend the run from the battery or wherever we're taking our supply. So this is just the transducer case, and it's great to keep everything stored ashore while you're out